In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Amazon, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website, or you can open the Amazon app. Then sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, click on your username. Now find the option of your account and select See All. Here, find and click on your payments. Here, you'll see all the payment methods linked to your Amazon account, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. To update an existing payment method, select the card you want to change and click Edit. You can then update details such as the card number, expiration date, billing address, or cardholder name. If you want to add a new payment method, click Add a Payment Method and enter the required information. Once you've made your changes, click Save to update your payment information. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Amazon payment method. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.